In the first video of this short series, we're going to teach you about liquidity positions and liquidity pools in cryptocurrency. Firstly, liquidity positions are not a new invention or unique to cryptocurrencies. Being a liquidity provider simply means holding two or more types of assets and allowing people to trade between them for a fee. We'll be focusing on providing liquidity with two different tokens in this tutorial, the most common type of liquidity position in cryptocurrency. We'll also take a look at how markets can incentivize these positions by rewarding you with additional tokens as an additional ongoing payment for providing liquidity on certain exchanges, or for specific tokens, otherwise known as yield farming. Firstly, let's consider a foreign currency exchange. They deal in dollars and euros, so they need a supply of both in order to let people trade between them. They pick up $1,000 and then the equivalent in euros. At today's exchange rate, that's about 850 euro, meaning 1 euro is worth about $1.15. So, assuming this exchange rate remains pretty constant, the foreign exchange would make money from charging a fee on every transaction. For example, someone trading in 100 euro might expect to receive $115, but the exchange charges a fee of 1%. This fee is removed from the outgoing currency. So instead, the customer receives $113.85. The remaining $1.15 goes into the exchange's profits. So the foreign exchange now has 950 euro and $886.15 in their float. This is still equal to exactly the $2,000 that was originally made available. Except the exchange has a profit of $1.15 set aside. This is in short what a liquidity position is. You allow people to exchange between two assets, in this case, dollars and euros. While your overall dollars and euros value remains constant, you receive fees simply for providing both assets for others to exchange between. As you may have guessed though, $2,000 in the float would not be enough to run a currency exchange. In fact, the amount of money needed to run an exchange often cannot be provided by just one person. And that's why we have liquidity pools. A pool is a collection of people or entities which all donate even parts of both currencies, and all share the respective profit from fees between them. This is exactly how decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges work. Liquidity providers supply two tokens at equal value, such as 1/2 Ethereum and 1/2 USDC, or 1/2 Matic and 1/2 Dejira. Traders can then freely trade between these two crypto tokens, using the supply from all liquidity providers, and they'll receive fees from every trader in return. The liquidity providers will receive LP tokens, which can be used to redeem their liquidity and fees at any point. However, in the world of cryptocurrency, it's rare that two assets outside of stablecoins like USDC and BUSD do not experience fluctuations on a daily basis. In the next video, we'll talk about impermanent loss and how it would affect the above example if the value of dollars or euros were to skyrocket or crash on any given day.